My name is Bisme, and this is my submission for Lab 3 for ENME351. For the first part of the exercise, I have here these two potentiometers. This one controls the Y direction, this one controls the X direction. This is my code for Arduino. We're reading the values off of both of the potentiometers and putting them into a string to send to processing over the serial monitor, and I have in a small delay to make sure that we're not sending too much information to processing. On the processing side, I have the window, the background. I have processing set up to receive information from Arduino. It will split up the information coming down the serial stream using the tab delimiter, and if it's the proper length, it will bring these X and Y values into processing and convert them. For the first part, this is a blue circle that it will draw. Press this. And this is controlling up and down. This is controlling left and right. If you were to do both of them at the same time, this is if you do them both. For this next part, it will ensure that the ellipse is fenced into the window and doesn't go off the screen. I've made a very large, noticeable fence. For the third part, I'm simply using fill XXY to create the correct color gradient. Having it sweep from increasing X for the G here and RGB will make sure that the colors gradient properly. For the last part of exercise 1, this will be the oscilloscope. We will only be controlling the Y potentiometer. This prevents it falling off the screen, and we will be plotting T and Y. Here I'm using this timing circuit to basically say that it's only going to move the dot forward if 50 milliseconds has passed. That means that it's going to create a dot every 50 milliseconds. So I can control this using the potentiometer. This is for exercise 2, the gamepad. I've set up pins that are associated with the different directions for the gamepad, and I'm using the internal pull-up resistor for all of them. Arduino will just read the state 0 or 1, high or low, for the buttons. This is to set up stuff for the circle or the ellipse. This is the size of the image taken from Windows, and this is the image loaded onto the screen. The tokens are being split. The information is being split using the comma. I'm basically having it so that if the button is depressed, which is actually indicated by a low state, if the button is depressed for the left, it will move left, up, it will move up. Just to show some more of it erased. That's all of the parts for this makeup lab. Thank you very much.